Hey, this is Dr. Josh Noreen. I'm a chiropractor here in Roseville, and I'm going to tell you how I would handle a headache naturally. Real simple, I would just get a bag of ice, literally a bag of ice. Ice cubes, not a gel pack. I get ice cubes in a plastic bag and put it, I take one layer of a dish towel, the thin little white ones. I put that right back here, and I put the ice next to the towel, and put it on my neck, right where the base of the head is. I do that for 10 minutes. Then I take it off for 5, and I'd repeat it 4 times, probably maybe 5 times. 10 minutes on, 5 minutes off. I take it off, put it in the freezer. I used to set a timer for 5 minutes. Ding! I take it out, put it here, set the timer for 10 minutes. That is working at reducing inflammation here in the meninges. This is where they come from, part of the brain, right here. Many of your headaches are in the back part of your brain, back part of your head. So are mine. If I need to, and I need some sort of analgesic or painkiller or whatever, I would go buy from the health food store. I would buy white willow bark. It's the same thing as aspirin, except it's natural. It's bark. It's white willow bark. I wouldn't take any other junk. I'd handle it by putting ice on it, which almost all the time is going to take care of the headache. If not, I would look at that route as well. For more health tips and specials, check us out on our website. The website is chiropractorroseville.com. Take a look and check us out. Thank you.